Hi everybody, it's Jessica the Dollhouse Curator and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do because today we're not going to be touring a dollhouse. We're not going to be talking through a project. We are going to be issuing a personal challenge that I will be taking on myself for the month of May, and I am inviting all of you in the doll community who see this video to join me for. And I am talking about what I am calling the Mayhem Challenge. If you're like me, you have multiple projects that you have started and not finished. If you're like me, you have multiple things that you need to be organizing and getting put in place, but instead of completing organizing, you start playing or you let another project come in and take your focus. If you are like me, you have said multiple times you were going to get something done and you have not gotten it completed. So for this month of May, I have decided to knock out the mayhem in my doll life. So for the entire month of May, I will be participating in what I have affectionately named and hashtagged the DC Mayhem 25. And the whole point of this challenge is that for this month, I have made a list of 10 projects that I have mentioned or that I have started and not completed, or things that I have said I was going to do that I have not gotten done. And I am going to focus on getting these 10 things done, along with, of course, continuing to create interesting doll content for the channel. So I am inviting all of you to join me for the hashtag DC Mayhem 25. But this challenge will be a little bit different. You don't have to post any videos. You don't have to make any content. All you need to do is make a personal commitment to yourself that you will participate in the Mayhem Challenge and make a list of 10 projects that you have in your personal doll life that you know you need to get done and focus this month on getting it done. So this is going to be one of the easiest and most difficult challenges that I think you will find on YouTube in the doll community. And it is an honor as the Dollhouse Curator to be issuing this challenge. So again, you don't have to post any videos, you don't have to create any content, but the one thing that I do ask you to do, just to let me know that I'm not out there flapping in mayhem by myself, is that if you decide to take on the hashtag DC Mayhem 25, leave a comment under this video or any of the other videos that I make this month, depending on when you see them, because I'm going to continue to mention it, because all this month we will be focusing on knocking out this mayhem in our doll life. But leave a comment using the hashtag DC Mayhem 25 just to let me know that I'm not out there by myself. And if you have the courage, post some videos, make some content, take some pictures, and share your mayhem and your mayhem knockout list with the rest of the community. So again, I think this is going to be one of the easiest and one of the most difficult challenges that are out there on YouTube. And I am glad that I am taking it on because, to be honest, there are so many things that I have mentioned on this channel that I've said I was going to do or I said I was going to get to, and I haven't. So I have made a list of 10 things, and I am going to give you what these 10 things are. I will also be posting it on our community tab so that you all can keep me honest during the month of mayhem. So our first thing on the list is some on-screen crafts. You know I do crafts. I usually don't do them on screen because once I get started in one direction, my brain may take me in a complete different direction. But there's a lot of crafts that I would like to share with you all that I think you would enjoy. So I have at least one of those that I want to get done for this month that I have on the list. We also want to take on some sewing challenges. So I picked up some of the craziest fabric from Dollar Tree because I promised our guys that I would be working on some jackets for them, and usually I am a hot glue sewer, but some of the ideas that I have for these jackets are not working out with hot glue, so they have kind of sat and collected dust. So I'm going to challenge myself to get my sewing machine out, get my needle and thread, and get some sewing challenges completed for my dollhouse. Third, organization. We will be focusing on our organization. If I wasn't too embarrassed, I would turn this camera so y'all could see some of this mess that I have right around me, but I'm not going to. But I do need to get myself a bit more organized as we've been working on our recent collab for the hashtag It's My Birthday and our retro diner space. I have kind of let my organization get away from me, so we want to get that back in order this month. And since it is warm enough, I can get out in the garage and work on my external organization as well. Next, about 2 months ago, I said I was going to be redoing the Rainbow High space. I have gotten one space done in that, and that was for our Hey Besties, and the rest of it is still just sitting. So I will be focusing this month on creating the content to get that Rainbow High house completely done so that you all can see its new and improved aesthetic and some of the fun items and craft and ideas that I have come up with for that space that I really think you'll enjoy and you can easily do in your Rainbow High dollhouse. Next, our greenhouse. Our greenhouse was a temporary project that I was testing out. Once I got it to a point that I thought it looked super cute, I kind of left it in that temporary staging. So it is still held together with clamps. And one of my dolly friends, you know who you are, has blessed me with 2 of the first Monster High dolls that I have in my collection. And Miss Venus here, that I have done a recent restyle on. I think she looks adorable. But Miss Venus here needs a home. So I will be working to complete our greenhouse diorama so that we can have that set up for our Venus doll. We also need to plan and prepare for the summer in the curated dollhouse. So you know I do big scenes like the retro diner. This will be up for a while, but summer is coming and I need to plan for what we have coming up and get some of the fun ideas that I have in my brain down on paper and into the dollhouse. Next, you've heard me mention my doll display a couple of times. I have recently mentioned it about the Marine Barbie and Ken that I got from Misty B. Again, thank you. And they are in their spot, but I haven't done a video to let you all see what it is looking like. So that is also on my Mayhem list. Next up, we are in the 2nd year of the guys. We started the year off strong with our Devon doll and our Restyle Closet, but we're already a full month in the spring and I have not picked our spring guy yet. So we will be focusing on our spring of the guys with making sure that we get the focus on our guys, get our new guy installed, and get some crafts and some spaces created for them. We also need to improve the wall art in the curated dollhouse. That is one of the areas that my dollhouse aesthetic is truly lacking in. So I want to work on that for the month of Mayhem. And finally, I have about 3 or 4 trash bags in the garage that have doll stuff in it that I have said I was going to donate and I have not donated. When it does not get donated quickly, I slowly dig back through those bags and find stuff, and it works its way back into the curated dollhouse, even though at some point I decided that it was time for it to go. So we will be working on not only getting those donations that we already have out and donated, but as we organize our dollhouse, we will also be getting another set of items ready to be donated so that we can continue to move around all of these dolly blessings that we continue to get. So again, I ask you to join me for what I am saying is the easiest and the most difficult challenge that you will find on YouTube, and that is the Mayhem challenge. So for the entire month of May, I want you to join me in choosing 10 projects that you know you need to get done in your dollhouse, putting them down on paper and focusing this entire month on getting it done. For this challenge, you don't have to post any content or pictures. You can do this personally, but I do ask that if you decide to join in the Mayhem challenge, that you leave a comment with using the hashtag DC Mayhem 25. Yeah, it's a mayhem running around up in here. But using the hashtag DC Mayhem 25, post it under one of my comments or one of our videos just to let me know that I am not out in this Dollyverse in Mayhem by myself. And if you are confident enough, then show us what your Mayhem looks like. Show us what your project list is. Post some videos or some content or some pictures. If you are confident enough, make sure you tag me so that I know and can see your Mayhem level, because I will be sharing mine as well. But I do ask that y'all join me because it is a personal challenge. You know we get overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that we have for our dolls and the amount of projects that we say we're going to complete. And I think the month of May is a great time to knock out the mayhem in our doll life. So again, this is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. Thank you for visiting the Curated Dollhouse and hearing about the hashtag DC Mayhem 25 and the 10 projects that I will be focusing on finishing this month. I will be posting all month my progress about this, starting today with issuing the challenge, and I will be checking periodically to see if any of you decide to enter this challenge with me. Again, if you want to enter the challenge, all you have to do is just leave a comment using the hashtag DC Mayhem 25. No videos, no content, but if you are confident enough, share your mayhem with the community. Until next time, this is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. We will be back another day with another mayhem project for the month of May and the Mayhem Challenge. Bye, y'all.